What's up, guys? Y'all know what day it is. Today is Thursday. That means Kevin is here and this truck is loaded down as always. You guys, check this one out. Oh, you guys see how full this thing is. And Kevin's over here talking about how he ain't got nothing on his truck. So, I don't know about all that. But it looks pretty full to me.
I'm gonna figure out something to talk about.
We gotta do them eyeball check this morning.
Got the reds.
Yeah, that's what I look like on a Monday morning usually.
That's how I've felt all day so far. It's been a rush.
I gotta show some of these Zippos off, but they're really cool. You gotta tell everybody the fascinating thing you figured out about the Zippos when you first started in the snap-on business. That's a cool story.
Oh, just the price?
Yeah.
Well, get on eBay and everybody will discover the same thing I did. The older they are, the more they are worth.
Yeah.
Probably lighters, no telling what they bought them for back when, but going for about $210, $230 for, and I don't know if that's used, unused, I don't know what that is, but it made me feel a little bit better about, like, I know when I bought Zippos when I was younger, they were high dollar.
Yeah.
They've always been expensive.
Well, one of the things that's cool about Snap-on is like almost everything they make that's collectible goes up.
Oh yeah.
You know.
That's even the shirts.
Especially like the 100th anniversary, 105th stuff.
The towels. I got guys that get one towel to use and one towel to put back because they've
just
seen
saving them up.
Well, because you can check eBay or check those out online, and those go up in value also. It's
crazy.
Yes, that's
absolutely
took the words out of my mouth.
Too bad.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I did get a new.
Too bad the light crew didn't have a week off. I knew there's going to be a new light on. I knew it. I was just waiting to find where you had it here.
We were due for one.
So it's 1,000 lumen, rechargeable, flexible light.
Yeah, that's right there on the magnet.
That's pretty cool. Let me get our specs, because we always skip our specs. Everybody's always like, what's it run to? Like, shoot, I don't know. I got so excited it's a new light.
Yeah, run time
so
and everything.
Here we go.
Yeah. It is a very fancy.
It's pretty cool looking.
The only thing I'm a little twisted on is all the buttons are on the back. I mean, I guess it's all right. Charging. Then that one runs the flex light, and then that one runs the big light. I do like that it also does. Yeah, got the magnet or the hanger. That is very nice,
boys. And
it is super
anybody
bright.
That's ever worked on a truck with a turbo knows how hard it is when you're down there on that pedestal or taking the oil line off. You finally got something now that you could turn on and shove up in them spots where you need it like that. You can see what the heck you're doing. I'm actually a fan of this light, Kevin. That's pretty cool.
It's bright.
So it's got two different buttons on it, as you see here. So the top button activates the big light on the front, dimmable, and then is this one dimmable or is what you get?
I haven't checked that one.
Here we go. Let's see. No, unless you push and hold it. No,
it didn't look like it was.
I guess it is what it is with it. But that's still really nice. So it's a magnetic back, which is super cool. So turn a little stem back this way where it won't be poking everybody.
No, you gotta leave it in the way. That way it draws attention.
Shoot,
everybody walks past it and swiping at it like it's a fly.
That's a nice light.
45-degree hose clamp.
Oh yeah.
It's definitely something new. Everybody loves the regular ones. I thought I had another set of these. I have the Blue Point ones and my Snap-on ones, the HPC 10s. Those go pretty quick. The 9s and 11s also.
Yeah. Man, you got a lot of stuff. There's so much stuff in here. You just overlook it.
Some of the brass. I had the steel before. This is a little bit less aggressive. Doesn't mar the
right.
I guess the aluminum or whatever you're getting into. It's not gonna really scar it up too bad. I can't remember. Did we have the bypasses on here last week? I cannot
remember. Yeah, those are great too. I've got this set actually. Well, I do have to confess, mine is not this brand.
IPA.
But it's made by them. It's Matco branded, but it's the exact same. Even the packaging's the same.
Yeah.
But those are really, really nice to have.
I liked them for emptying fuel tanks because it never failed. If they needed a fuel pump,
Yep.
It wasn't ever empty.
No, it's always full.
Yeah.
Like the guy just filled up at the gas station when his fuel pump went out. So every time. But all of these are great. Great. If
I like the amp probe one. I didn't have that one, but I can see where that'd come in handy. I did have the checker, like the little thing you could push in and check
those
the relay.
are nice to have too.
Yeah, I haven't seen those yet, or haven't been able to find them yet.
Have you tried like the power probe? I think it's called the ECT3000 or whatever. It's the short finder that they have.
I had
the power probe.
I just got one to my tractor guys.
Too.
Figure you better show them.
Hey dudes.
Yeah.
They'd be like, hey y'all, since it's snap-on version, I reckon. Those look good.
Man, feel just the soul of the interior.
Oh
it's
man,
like
that's like memory foam or something. Man.
Yeah,
I noticed you ain't wearing a pair of them, so they must not be that good.
Tennis. Oh yeah, they are. But man,
here comes the salesman pitch, boys. Pay attention.
Wear them out now.
He's got a pair, but he just wears them on Sunday.
I actually wore them to my little girl's soccer game. And man, standing on the side of the field for an hour and couldn't even tell I'd been standing up all that long.
You know, so I got to rub you a little bit. It wouldn't be near as fun if I didn't give you hell about something.
What?
Talking about not having those shoes on.
Oh yeah, no, these are snap-on. These I like these.
Snap-on tennis
I like
shoes.
They got the non-slip. Those just going up and down steps. The way that they don't, like I need something that ties on. Last thing I need to do is fall out of my truck.
I got a pair of Hey Dudes and I like them. They're comfortable. It's just, I don't know. It's just something about them. I can only wear them for a little while. I know some people that wear them like all day long. It don't bother them.
Yeah.
But I don't have enough arch support or something in my.
I don't wear mine until I get home. Well, I got a pair that I just wear strictly at the house.
See, I'm a Crocs guy. Like I'll admit it, I love a pair of Crocs. If you get a pair of squishy Crocs, and you break them jokers in, man,
I know my dad loves his.
I love them. Like you get them dirty, you rinse them off with a hose.
Yeah, that might
comfortable, no shoes to tie.
Yeah.
I used to have the excuse when I was real fat. You know, I had that big ass belly. It hurt me to bend over to tie my shoes. So, that's a good set right there. I'm back here just shopping, telling stories.
Oh, yeah.
But man, I've lost a little weight. Makes it easier to tie my shoes, but I'm still lazy.
Still want to slide.
Sliding your foot in it better than bending over and tying it.
Yeah.
Man. Got gloves back here.
Yes, it has begun. I get a lot. I've probably sold maybe close to 10 pair. Since the beginning of this, since it cooled down.
I bought a pair of them when they first come out, that D30 Impact material or whatever.
Yeah.
What are these, like rubber coated?
Yeah, like the neoprene.
Those are pretty nice. 6 pair and a pack.
Usually I end up having to break them. Nobody wants 6 pairs. They want 1 pair at a time.
Yeah, what are those running?
I want to say the pack is around $60, something like that for the pack of them.
Yeah. Do you have any of them in is that the only size, the large?
Oh, probably not. I think those are large also. I can't remember what size that dude got there. I think he got some mediums from
And they may work if they're stretchy. I usually just buy extra large or 2X just because it's easier to get them on.
Yeah.
I can try a pair of them on in a minute. It's always good to have them rubber coated gloves like that too.
So slack adjusters. It's a little bit longer. Usually we have the short one with the orange handle.
The short one with the orange handle. Yeah. God, that's a good pair. Check this boy out, boys. You come out reaching down in something. That's a really good pair of pliers right there. They make dikes that long. Oh, right there they are. I was gonna say, they make dikes that long, and I bought a pair of them. Man, that right there is amazing. That much different leverage when you're cutting some stuff. That's nice.
It definitely makes a difference.
We don't never get to piffer any drawers back here. It's always something in the way, so it's nice to get to see what all you got.
As everybody's noticed, I got more room on the truck this week.
If you guys don't have a set of these, they're awesome too. That's the big set right there, the 15 to 19 in that one. That's a good set. I don't have that one. I've got this one. That's some good stuff, man. Standard. What else we got over here? What's in that one?
That's the electric drawer.
Here we go.
Yeah.
So every week, if Kevin don't sell out of the newest lights, they go in this drawer, and this hundreds of different lights. This was a cool light when you showed it. I like that one.
Yeah, I still like. Well, I thought, I still keep
those
hanging up there.
Those are really cool.
And
That's pretty nice.
Soldering
tips.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a good kit too.
The holder's magnetic, I think.
It's got the shrink wrap on it too. That's a good one. This is pretty cool, the way these jumper leads are made. Has it got the good strong clips on them, or is it?
I'd like to say so. I don't really know. We can always open it up. That's the best thing about it. Everybody's always asking if they can open them.
Yeah.
It looks like they do. It's got just a regular.
I like that these have got the curly Q ones.
Yeah,
that's a lot better. Oh yeah, those are the good ones.
I think we got one. That one's out of the sheathing.
Oh yeah. Let me see how they put this on here. Okay, so they did a crimp and a solder. I see that. Let me see if I can get my camera to zoom in a little more. So it's crimped and soldered. That's a great kit right there. I'll get you guys this part number. Y'all don't sleep on this one. I'm telling you, I got the kit that's not got the curly Qs, and I wished I'd have got the curly Q ones like this.
That's like same thing.
That way they don't tangle up, because those round ones, you know how they always tangle up, man. You're gonna get them all.
I was looking because when I sell, like, if I sell this set, you can order the curly one, and that's most of the guys.
Like that's the one that I have right here. That's one of the best test lights, in my opinion, on the market. So it turns green for ground and red for hot, so you don't have to worry about your polarity or whatever. It'll read both for you. These are fantastic test lights right here, and it gives you a digital readout instead of just the LED light. So you got them in orange.
I think I have them in every color because I got
regular black. That curly Q cable, man, I don't know. Some people like it, some people hate it. I like the fact that it don't get tangled up like a regular one.
Yeah.
And it's smaller.
You'll run into the same
shove in your,
like the old phone cord. It may may reverse on itself.
Little Mardi Gras hat going on. Man, I'm proud you kind of had this little room back here. We got in this little fancy case. Okay.
The power steering pump puller.
That's a good little set too. They even give you a place to put the extra shit you're gonna need when you start working on it, the different adapters and stuff.
I just like that both of those are together. That way you're not losing it.
Absolutely.
Because there's no telling how many of those I've had to order for people that have lost.
Just lose one.
Lose or misplace them.
Set it down, next thing you know, it's gone. Lots of good stuff on here today, guys, and y'all need a nutcracker. He got that too. Look at this.
That is been on for a minute.
Yeah, that box has had a couple miles on him. To keep him as
last year Christmas probably.
Somebody may need some nuts cracked. All right, guys. Well, I guess we're gonna turn this thing off. I gotta check on some gloves with Kevin, and I got some other stuff I gotta get figured out on here. But like always, thank you guys for hanging out with us today. If you don't care, hit that thumbs up. It don't cost you nothing. It's just a button. You just click it. It's free. Check over here for merchandise, cool tools, and discounts is down there in the description. And if you're not subscribed, take your thing danger and click that button. Y'all have a great week. See ya.